everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of EyeBuyDirect. I do have to use some kind of correction for my eyes. I typically wear contacts, but at night I wear glasses, and then randomly through the week I might wear glasses. And ever since buzzing my hair off, these are my old glasses that I've had for like 5 years. I just feel like this isn't the vibe. So yeah, I bought a couple pairs from EyeBuyDirect and we're gonna take a look at them today. So they came in a box like this. Like, this is how they actually came in the mail. I've needed new glasses kind of for a while. Well, these ones are I've just had them for a very long time. But I've kept them because they're really expensive, because they're normal glasses that you get at the eye doctor. These pairs, is that how you say that? These two glasses here, I had a buy one, get one free on the frames. So in total, with having to pay for the lenses, having the buy one, get one free, paying for shipping, I paid like $77, I think, for 2 pairs of glasses. These were literally like $500. I didn't pay $500. If you know me, you know I would never do that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So they come in this nice little box. Which ones are these? These ones, I think they're called the Notting Hill. I'll link everything. I'm used to having like dark frames, so they had some other cool colors for this, but I went with like the darker one because the other pair I got were gold, so I'm like nervous. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like they're kind of big, but these are literally smalls. I'm trying to see if I can see out of them. I feel like there's something weird. Something not blurry, but like off. Which could be myself because you had to measure your PD. I feel like I need to get like an actual mirror to look at because it's hard to see. Okay, I just went and looked at my bathroom. I feel like this is so glary and I'm like far away from my screen. It's hard for me to see. But yeah, I think I like them. They're definitely, I mean, you saw the ones I was wearing in the beginning. So like these are definitely the biggest size I've ever had. But I like them. Yeah, these are good, these are good. Slightly nervous about the prescription maybe. It's not even the prescription. I knew my prescription. It was the PD thing and I'm unsure about that part. Editing Angela here. I just wanted to give an update. When I first got these, there's just something that felt off. And I don't know if it was just having to get used to new glasses, but I've been wearing these now for a few days and I don't notice it at all. So if you order from EyeBuyDirect and it feels a little weird the first day, maybe just give it a day or two to kind of get used to it. But yeah, now I don't notice anything at all and it seems fine. Okay, let's try the other ones. These are the ones I was like really wanting. They're gold. When I envisioned new glasses, this is what I was envisioning. Okay. These ones, I don't remember what they're called. I'll put it on the screen. But they're gold. They kind of have like detailing that's not focusing. Whatever. All right, let's see. It's like hard for me to tell in this. Oh yeah, I like these. Oh, this is what I was going for. Oh yes, this is what I wanted. Oh good. These ones, they have another one that's very similar and very popular called the St Michel, I think. But those ones were a little bit more like, I don't want to say squarish, but kind of like they were bigger. Like the lenses were bigger, where these ones were a little bit more rounded. I just have a very small face, but yeah, no, these are really cool. Oh, I love them. These are so cute. Okay. So my opinion on EyeBuyDirect is I like them. If you're not familiar, they do have a way on their website to like insert your photo so you can attempt to try to see what these would look like. I can actually try to insert what like my preview of these, what that looked like in the preview. Yeah, it helps you get a pretty good idea. And I would say like the quality, like these are like, they feel sturdy, you know? I did buy just the cheapest lenses that they had. Yeah, these ones are okay, but these ones are my favorite. Oh, just love them. And yeah, these are sturdy too. Well, let me know in the comments which ones you like better. It doesn't matter. I don't care what you like better because I like these better. All right, I need to stop. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Okay, I just went to review like the pictures I took and stuff, and I found a con, except for, I don't know if this is like my prescription, my PD. I've never seen this, but I feel like I can't actually wear these if I'm gonna have my photo taken. Because, do you see how that, and it's like taking a chunk out of my face. Does anyone know why that's happening? Like, my real ones don't do that. But that wouldn't make sense for the, maybe they do that. Has this always been a thing that I've never known? Wait, they do it too. All right, never mind. This was pointless. Okay, bye.